Just as the first Cybercabs rolled off the modular assembly lines in Giga Texas, we now have a clear view of the next revolution. The Tesla Model 2, designed with senior drivers in mind and set to hit production in 2026, this isn't just another compact EV. Early signs indicate it's borrowing the same high-speed modular manufacturing techniques that cut Cybercab assembly time by nearly half, making advanced technology more accessible than ever. So what makes the Model 2 special for older drivers? How will Tesla's modular approach, first tested on the Cybercab, translate into a car that's both affordable and packed with features? We're diving deep to answer these questions and give you a first look at Tesla's latest strategy. Let's go. How is Tesla Model 2 tailored for senior drivers, while leveraging Cybercab's advanced assembly techniques? Tesla's Model 2 is a carefully engineered vehicle aimed at older drivers who prioritize ease of use, safety, and affordability. The production philosophy behind it takes heavy inspiration from the recently revealed Cybercab assembly lines at Giga Texas. There, hundreds of Cybercabs are being assembled with a fully modular system, where robots in bright yellow coordinate and parallel zones to construct the chassis, suspension, body panels, and interior simultaneously. This modular workflow reduces assembly time from the typical 14 hours per vehicle on traditional lines to just under 7 hours per unit, slashing labor costs by an estimated $6,000 per car. Tesla plans to replicate this approach with Model 2, suggesting a production efficiency that could allow the final retail price to start around $22,000 to $24,000, significantly undercutting the Nissan Leaf's entry-level $28,000 model while including advanced EV technology. From an ergonomic standpoint, Tesla has clearly thought about senior drivers. Door openings are projected to measure 80 centimeters wide with a step-in height lowered to 42 centimeters, allowing easier entry and exit. Without excessive bending, seats will feature dual-density memory foam, adjustable lumbar support, and 14-way electronic adjustment, enabling drivers over 65 to maintain a proper driving posture. Visibility is another focus. The Model 2's windshield stretches 1.2 meters across, providing a panoramic view comparable to larger sedans, while side mirrors incorporate digital blind spot detection calibrated for slower reaction times common in older drivers. On the safety front, Tesla's autopilot and full self-driving FSD stack are configured for predictability over aggressive maneuvers. Lane centering operates with a plus or minus 3 centimeter tolerance, while adaptive cruise control maintains a following distance of 60 meters at highway speeds up to 130 kilometers per hour. Automatic emergency braking now reacts to obstacles as small as 20 centimeters in height, and pedestrian detection is reported to be effective at ranges up to 50 meters, providing seniors with additional confidence in urban environments. The production methodology inherited from Cybercab also impacts reliability. By creating modular zones for wiring, electronics, and body assembly, Tesla minimizes cable clutter and connection errors, a factor that traditionally contributes to long-term maintenance costs. Estimates suggest that wiring-related service visits could drop by 35% compared to conventional EVs in the same price range, offering a less stressful ownership experience for older drivers who may prefer to avoid frequent trips to service centers. Which feature of the Tesla Model 2 would make your daily driving easiest as a senior? Comment. Seats. If it's the comfortable seating, doors if it's the easy entry and exit, or safety if it's the autopilot and braking systems, we will read every of your comments. And how about a like and a subscribe for our video? We appreciate it very much. What powertrain and battery innovations make the Model 2 both efficient and senior-friendly? Tesla's Model 2 is set to feature a compact but high-efficiency powertrain optimized for city driving and moderate highway use, aligning perfectly with the needs of senior drivers. Rumors and internal projections suggest a dual-motor all-wheel drive configuration, delivering approximately 180 kilowatts of peak power and 320 newton-meters of torque. This output allows the Model 2 to accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in roughly 6.5 seconds, faster than a Nissan Leaf E+, 7.4 seconds, but gentler than a performance-focused Model 3, ensuring seniors get confidence-inspiring acceleration without being startled by sudden speed bursts. Battery technology is a core differentiator. Tesla is reportedly adapting lessons from aluminum-ion and next-gen lithium-ion cells to create a pack that balances energy density, rapid charging, and long cycle life. The Model 2 battery is estimated to store around 55 kilowatt-hours, providing a real-world driving range of roughly 410 kilometers per charge under standard urban conditions, compared with Cybercab's utility-focused 65 kilowatt-hour pack, which powers heavier, fully robotic taxis over short duty cycles. The Model 2's pack emphasizes consistent voltage output and predictable discharge curves, crucial for smooth city driving favored by older drivers. Charging speed has also been optimized. With Tesla's V4 supercharger network, Model 2 is expected to replenish up to 200 kilometers of range in just 20 minutes. Standard home charging via a Level 2 wall connector allows full recharge overnight in approximately 6.5 hours, providing flexibility for seniors who may avoid frequent trips to public charging stations. Tesla's proprietary battery management system monitors thermal performance with a 0.1 degrees Celsius resolution, ensuring pack longevity and preventing the capacity degradation commonly seen in older EVs that are subjected to irregular charging patterns. Driving experience in the Model 2 will be remarkably smooth, mirroring the precision Tesla has honed on the Cybercab line. Suspension is reportedly a semi-independent multi-link setup at the rear, with adaptive dampers calibrated for low-speed comfort. Combined with McPherson struts in front, the ride absorbs potholes and speed bumps common in suburban areas with minimal cabin vibration. Steering effort is electronically variable. At parking speeds, it requires less than 1.2 Newton-meters of torque, reducing physical strain for drivers with reduced arm strength, while at highway speeds it stiffens for stability and responsive handling. Tesla is also integrating predictive analytics into the drive experience. Sensors from the Cybercab platform, including LiDAR-assisted obstacle detection and camera-based lane guidance, allow the Model 2 to anticipate slowdowns and adjust regenerative braking seamlessly. Regeneration can be set between 0.15 and 0.25 grams deceleration, which recovers up to 15 kilowatt-hours per 100 kilometers in urban stop-and-go traffic without startling the driver. For seniors, this means less frequent brake pedal use, more predictable deceleration, and a more relaxed driving experience, all while maintaining energy efficiency, competitive with compact EVs from Hyundai and Volkswagen. How does Tesla Model 2's interior and smart features enhance comfort and usability for seniors? Tesla is approaching the Model 2 interior with a mix of minimalism, accessibility, and high-tech convenience, echoing the lessons learned from the Cybercab. The cabin is expected to have a total interior volume of around 2.5 cubic meters, providing more shoulder and leg room than a typical compact EV like the Chevrolet Bolt, which measures roughly 2.3 cubic meters. This extra space ensures seniors have ample room to enter, exit, and adjust seating comfortably, especially on longer journeys. Infotainment is centered around a 12-inch portrait touchscreen, but unlike the Cybercab's commercial-focused interface, the Model 2 includes a senior mode that enlarges fonts by 50%, simplifies menus, and prioritizes navigation and driving status over entertainment. Response latency has been reduced to approximately 45 milliseconds, a subtle but important improvement that makes the interface feel instantaneous and reduces frustration. Voice commands can handle over 250 unique functions, from adjusting climate zones to initiating calls, allowing drivers to keep their hands on the wheel and eyes on the road. Tesla has also incorporated modular storage and accessibility features directly inspired by the Cybercab's multi-zone assembly efficiency. The center console contains 5 compartments, including a wireless charging tray capable of holding devices up to 180 millimeters in length. Door pockets can accommodate bottles up to 1 liter, and glove compartments feature soft close mechanisms with minimal effort required. Small touches that seniors notice daily. Climate control has been upgraded with dual-zone automatic temperature regulation and filtered air circulation. Tesla reports that airflow velocity has been calibrated between 0.2 and 0.35 meters per second to maintain a stable cabin temperature without creating uncomfortable drafts, a feature particularly relevant for older adults sensitive to cold or heat. The cabin is also equipped with low-frequency noise-dampening materials, reducing decibel levels inside the car to around 62 decibels at highway speeds, which is notably quieter than the Volkswagen ID.4's 66 decibels under the same conditions. Safety and monitoring technology also plays a critical role. The Model 2 will feature real-time driver attention tracking, alerting the driver if eye closure exceeds 2 seconds or if head orientation deviates beyond 30 degrees for more than 5 seconds. Integrated cameras, inspired by the Cybercab's automated driving tech, cover all blind spots, and predictive algorithms can preemptively adjust braking or steering in urban environments where sudden obstacles are common. Tesla's proprietary cabin sensors continuously monitor occupant posture and seatbelt tension, providing automated alerts if adjustments are needed, an innovation rarely found in competitors at this price range. Connectivity and updates remain a Tesla hallmark. The Model 2 supports over-the-air software updates that can improve battery efficiency, UI responsiveness, and safety algorithms without requiring a visit to a service center. Tesla estimates that this capability alone could reduce maintenance visits by 20% to 25%, making ownership easier for seniors who prefer fewer in-person appointments. That's all for today. So, would you consider a Model 2 for yourself or a family member? How important are features like modular interiors and predictive safety for senior drivers like you or your parents? And which competitor EV do you think can match Tesla's efficiency and innovation in this segment? If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit the like button, subscribe to AutoGearshift, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest Tesla news and analysis. Thanks for watching.